If your homemade ant killer is working, you will see clear, observable changes in ant behavior and activity within a few days. Start by placing bait in small, shallow containers along trails and near nests, and watch the number of ants visiting the bait each day. If the bait is effective, you will notice fewer workers at feeding sites within 24 to 72 hours as foragers either die or fail to return to the colony. Check for dead ants near bait stations and along trails because worker mortality around bait points indicates the active ingredient is having contact or ingestion effects. To estimate colony impact, gently probe likely nest entrances with a stick or a slow burst of water and observe reduced defensive or evacuation behavior compared with your initial observations. Track activity at the same time each day for at least 2 weeks because some slow-acting baits require repeated foraging cycles to transfer to nestmates and the queen. Keep bait fresh and dry and replace it if it crystallizes or becomes moldy since degraded bait loses attractiveness and efficacy. A common mistake is assuming a lower number of surface ants means eradication when workers simply move to alternate routes. To avoid this, map multiple trails and bait them because blocking only one corridor can redirect traffic. Another issue is using a repellent ingredient like soapy water or strong essential oils in the bait, which can prevent feeding. If you suspect repellency, switch to a neutral carrier such as sugar, syrup, or peanut butter depending on species so ants eat it readily. People also expect immediate disappearance and stop monitoring too soon. Continue observation for 3 to 4 weeks and reapply bait weekly as needed until there is no sustained foraging and only occasional stray ants appear. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners connect with local contractors and find practical advice related to home pest control and repairs. Our site also has a discussion community where we share user experiences and tips, and we help contractors find work by listing projects and homeowner requests.